Which laundry detergent actually smells good and removes stench? Simple question, but it's a bit trickier than it seems. Today, we're digging deep to uncover the top contenders that not only promise freshness but also deliver on that promise. Product number 1, Lysol Tough Odor Eliminator. First up is the Lysol Tough Odor Eliminator Laundry Sanitizer Additive. This one caught my eye because it's specifically formulated to tackle those stubborn gym clothes and activewear odors. It's bleach-free and focuses on eliminating odor-causing bacteria. If you want a product that kills odor at the source, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product stand out is its sanitizing ability. It's designed to penetrate deep into fabrics and neutralize bacteria that cause odors, not just mask them. This is crucial for activewear that can trap sweat and grime. With 41 Oz in the bottle, it's a good size for regular use, and it's gotten over 2,000 purchases in the last month, indicating that many are trusting it with their laundry needs. Now I have to be honest with you. Some users mention that it doesn't leave a strong scent behind. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a subtle scent or no scent at all, this might actually be a plus for you. But if you're looking for a fresh fragrance alongside odor elimination, you might find this lacking. This is perfect for you if you live an active lifestyle and need a reliable odor eliminator. Skip this one if you're after a strong fragrance in your laundry. For its price point, it offers solid value for those focused on sanitization. Product number 2, Zero Odor 16 Oz. Next, we have the Zero Odor Laundry Odor Eliminator in a 16 Oz bottle. This product uses patented molecular technology to permanently eliminate laundry odors, which is pretty intriguing. If you're looking for something that really gets rid of stench, this is worth a serious look. What's cool about Zero Odor is that it's designed to work on a variety of fabrics, from clothes to towels and even shoes. This means it's versatile in tackling any laundry challenge you throw at it. With over 1,000 sales in the past month, it's clear that many people are giving it a shot. However, there were a few complaints about its high price relative to the quantity. Some people feel like they're not getting enough product for the cost. But honestly, if you've been battling persistent odors, paying a bit more for something that's genuinely effective might be worth it. This is perfect for anyone frustrated by lingering smells in their laundry. Skip this one if budget is a primary concern and you're looking for a more economical option. Given its effectiveness, it can be a worthwhile investment. Product number 3, Zero Odor 64 Oz. Now, if the smaller Zero Odor didn't convince you, this is the 64 Oz version, which is a better deal for those who do a lot of laundry. Same patented technology, but now it lasts longer. If you've got a big family or tend to wash a lot, this is worth a serious look. This larger size means you can tackle odor in bulk, making it a great choice for households that generate more laundry. It retains the same effectiveness in eliminating odors permanently. It's also been purchased by over 1,000 people recently, which shows it's gaining popularity. On the downside, some users feel the scent it leaves behind is too neutral, or they didn't notice any significant scent at all. Here's the thing though, this is exactly what you might want if you're sensitive to fragrances. So if you want something that just neutralizes odors without adding any scent, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for larger households or anyone who hates laundry odors. Skip this if you want a strong, lingering scent on your clothes. For its price, it offers great value for those looking to eliminate odors effectively. Product number 4, Arm & Hammer Deep Clean Odor Formula. Next on the list is Arm & Hammer Deep Clean Odor Formula Laundry Detergent Power Packs. At just over $11 for 32 packs, this is an affordable option that caught my attention. If you want a detergent that combines odor removal with cleaning power, this is worth considering. These power packs are designed to dissolve quickly in water, allowing for a powerful clean that penetrates deep into fabrics. The formula includes baking soda, which is known for its odor-fighting properties. With over 500 purchases in the last month, it's clearly popular among people looking to tackle tough odors. However, some users found that the packs didn't dissolve completely in cold water. Here's the thing, if you usually wash in cold, you might want to add a bit of hot water to ensure they dissolve fully. But if you wash in warm or hot, this shouldn't be an issue for you. This is perfect for anyone who needs an effective and budget-friendly option for odor elimination. Skip this if you primarily wash in cold water and are concerned about the packs not dissolving completely. The value for money is solid here, especially for a proven brand. Product number 5, Win Activewear Detergent. Finally, we have the Win Activewear Detergent, which is specifically designed for sweaty workout clothes and team uniforms. At around $33 for a 64 Oz bottle, it's tailored for those who really need to combat tough athletic odors. If you're someone who loves to work out and is tired of smelly gym gear, this is worth a serious look. Win focuses on breaking down the unique odors associated with synthetic fabrics, which means it's designed to handle the sweaty mess that comes with intense workouts. With over 100 purchases recently, it's clear that athletes are turning to this product to keep their gear fresh. Now, a downside is that it's pricier than some all-purpose detergents. Some users feel it's not worth the extra cost if they don't have a lot of activewear. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about keeping those smelly clothes in check, the investment can pay off. This is perfect for athletes or anyone with a lot of workout gear. Skip this if you're looking for an all-purpose detergent that covers more than just activewear. It's a bit more expensive, but for serious athletes, it's a worthwhile addition. So to wrap things up, we covered some solid options for the best-smelling laundry detergents to tackle stench. From Lysol's powerful sanitizing action to Zero Odor's innovative formula, Arm & Hammer's budget-friendly packs, and Win's activewear focus, there's something for everyone. Choose one that fits your specific needs and you'll be well on your way to fresh, clean laundry.